Hey everybody, and welcome to video 3 of our EFT tappings with vibrational wealth. I'm Tom and this is
Anya.
And today we want to talk about I don't deserve great things. Now if you've been following us in the last few videos, we are actually doing a 365 days of EFT tappings and law of attraction, and we're going to be doing this through the span of this whole entire year. So it may not be 365 days in a row, but we're going to be doing 365 videos within the span of this next year. So feel free to subscribe and like us and comment and share if this video can actually help another person as well. So without further ado, we're going to be again talking about I don't deserve great things. And a lot of things come up for people that don't deserve great things. Like, a lot of people don't feel like they're worthy of it, they're deserving. They just feel like they're not able to get those things that they feel like they deserve. Like, how do you feel about the topic, Anya, when you don't feel like you deserve something?
Sad, definitely. Sad, depressed. Sometimes, like, I feel like I need to do more in order to deserve something. That's it for sure.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to do this process of EFT tapping, where we're going to be actually tapping away the deservingness issues. And if you guys are new to our channel, we do this thing with the law of attraction called tapping. So the side of the hand is going to be like where you're going to be unblocking the process of releasing the energies from your body. And then we're going to do the eyebrow, the side of the eye, under the nose, the chin, the collarbone, under the arm, and then the top of the head. So all you have to do is follow along and repeat after us. And I'm going to be saying it first, and then Anya will repeat it after me. Anya's going to be taking the role of you, but you need to do your own role as well and follow along. So, okay, here we go. Even though I'm not deserving of great things.
Even though I'm not deserving of great things.
I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself.
I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself.
Even though I'm not deserving of great things.
Even though I'm not deserving of great things.
And it's not allowing me to feel very good.
And it's not allowing me to feel very good.
I deeply and completely love, forgive, and honor myself.
I deeply and completely love, forgive, and honor myself.
Even though this issue is stopping me from receiving more.
Even though this issue is stopping me from receiving more.
I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself anyway.
I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself anyways.
Even though this issue is freezing me from having more.
Even though this issue is freezing me from having more.
I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept how I'm feeling right now.
I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept how I'm feeling right now.
Alright, here we go. Eyebrow. I'm not deserving of great things.
I'm not deserving of great things.
Side of the eye. I'm not deserving of great things.
I'm not deserving of great things.
I don't deserve great things.
I don't deserve great things.
I don't feel I can have 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 great things.
I am stuck having bad things.
I am stuck having bad things.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
And looking for a way out.
I'm looking for a way out.
I'm not sure who taught me this.
I'm not sure who taught me this.
Was it my parents?
Was it my parents?
Was it my peers?
Was it my peers?
Was it my friends?
Was it my friends?
Was it the media?
Was it the media?
I am so confused.
I am so confused.
Whatever or whoever it was.
Whatever, whoever it was.
I'm doing something about it now.
I am doing something about it now.
And I need to form a new belief.
And I need to form a new belief.
A belief of gratitude.
A belief of gratitude.
When I have an attitude of gratitude.
When I have an attitude of gratitude.
That will mean I already have great things going for me.
That will mean I already have great things going for me.
Great things are all around me now.
Great things are all around me now.
The great Albert Einstein.
The great Albert Einstein.
Wrote down 50 to 100 things per day he was grateful for.
Wrote down 50 to 100 things he was grateful for.
It's no wonder the universe gave him great things to create.
It's no wonder the universe gave him great things to create.
To deserve great things.
To deserve great things.
You must be grateful of the great things around you now.
You must be grateful of the great things around you now.
Clearing out this old belief that I can't have great things.
Clearing out this old belief that I can't have great things.
Clearing it out of my body.
Clearing it out of my body.
Clearing it out of my mind.
Clearing it out of my mind.
Clearing it out of my heart, soul, and spirit.
Clearing it out of my heart, soul, and spirit.
Clearing it out of all of me now.
Clearing it out of all of me now.
And just feeling deserving of it all right now.
And just feeling deserving of all right now.
Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And release. Take some time to check in with yourself to see on a scale of 1 to 10 how deserving you feel of everything that's coming to you, of great things. So with that being said, we will see you guys on video 4. And if you guys would like to hear more from us and get notified when you are actually going to be getting a new video from us, hit the subscribe button right down below, and there's probably a little bell down there too. Hit that as well, and you'll get a notification on your phone. And also as well, we would like to give you a free gift as well. So if anybody leaves like a really cool comment, we're gonna use this comment picker later, and we're gonna give you guys a free gift. And then also feel free to follow us on social media right down below this video as well. We'll see you guys very, very soon. God bless everyone.